Hello, and welcome to Petrichor. This is a general message for the collective, one that we will call the Daily Rain. Let's get to it. Today is November 20th, 2025. In the description box of the video is information on how to book a personal reading with me. There's also information on the other social media platforms where you can find me and follow me there as well. In advance, I'd like to thank you for any like, share, or comment of the video, as well as if you could subscribe, which is free to do. That would be greatly appreciated. That helps the channel grow and get the message out to more people. Bit of a lengthy message today, but I'll be quick. Five of Swords, Knight of Cups, Strength. Knight of Pentacles, Seven of Swords, Eight of Cups, and the Hierophant. Yeah. A lot of deliberation. It's taken a toll on quite a lot of you, a lot of people. And the time has come. We need to make moves. We need to make money moves. The Hierophant is here because this is being called for, and it has been called for quite some time. The Hierophant is here because they're stepping in and they've said it's time. It's time. You know, we've been patient. We've been, mindful about this. We've given time, energy, and resources, right, to wait for this. But it's time. The Hierophant the deadline is past due. And it hasn't been easy, right? It hasn't been easy. Like I said, a lot of deliberation, a lot of going back and forth, and it's taken its toll. It's taken its toll on a lot of people, not just one. So the deadline is past due. This decision, this definitive stand is being made. And the thing is, and I know that there's a little bit of negativity that, kind of comes from this, but it doesn't affect you negatively. It's actually in your favor. This decision is going to be in your favor. It will favor you. It's going to bring about a change in your life that's also long overdue. And so, yeah, the universe, spirit, God, this Hierophant is stepping in and said, enough is enough. We need to move forward. And moving forward means that for you, your life is about to change. There's a lot of positive things that are coming your way, that are being finally given to you to multiply again and again and again. These pentacles, this Knight of Pentacles that you are, you're going to take this and you're going to work your magic on it, and you're going to multiply it again and again and again into this just mountain of abundance. And it will be something that it's just, for you, it's just going to be just fulfilling to be able to do something that you've never done before, not at this level, but that you've known that you could do, that wanted to do for quite a while. The time is here. Be ready so that you don't have to get ready. No, be ready. It's here. It's time. You know, more than anything, the universe wants you to know that it sees how patient you have been. It sees how grateful and blessed you have been, and appreciative of everything that was going on and that has happened. And this moves you forward significantly. Congratulations. Your time is precious, and I thank you for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.